do have a surgery coming up, though, on April 15th. This is going to be my hysterectomy. And it's happening down at City Hospital, which is actually just 2 blocks over. James is going to be there, and my stepmom is going to be there as well. It'll be about 3 to 4 days until I'm up and actually able to walk around. I'll only be in the hospital for 1 night, but then we come back here, and I just kind of set up my nest. And it'll be about 3 to 4 days until I can get up and walk around, and then from there, 6 to 8 weeks of full recovery. Yeah.
It's a big one.
Mm-hmm. But it isn't like invasive surgery too much because it's done laparoscopically. So they take like 4 little incisions and they put them in my abdomen there, and then they take out all the lady bits. Yeah. Thank goodness.